Is it possible to hit billionaire status in just 12 months? In this video, we'll uncover the bold strategies, game-changing ideas, and high-impact moves you need to turn your wildest dreams into reality. From scaling big visions to leveraging technology, get ready to unlock the secrets of rapid wealth creation. 5 steps for billionaire. Big vision and high-impact ideas. The key to becoming a billionaire starts with a bold vision. Focus on solving a massive problem that impacts millions of lives. High-risk investments. Invest in high-return opportunities like stocks, crypto, or innovative startups. Be calculated but bold. Focus on execution, move fast, adapt, and learn from failures. Speed is essential to outpace competitors. Create multiple income streams. Diversify your revenue streams through investments, businesses, and partnerships. Relentless work ethic. Dedicate yourself to working smarter and harder than ever before. The right mindset is critical. Subscribe for more videos.